Okay, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to be drawing Godzilla -1 face from Godzilla -1. Let's get into this. So I'm going to be drawing this picture that I drew yesterday. It wasn't a video, but I just drew it. So I wanted to, it was just a practice drawing so I could draw it. And so yeah, just going to put that up there. So I'm going to use the pencils 8B and HB. And so it's just going to start about right here. No, right here, so yeah. Like, it just like goes up like that. Like it's like the shaded part. Like that I'm gonna draw. Like so. Then like after like right here, I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna have like this part very bumpy. Cause like Godzilla -1 is quite bumpy, so yeah, I have this eraser. Cause I don't want to use that other one. So I kind of want to fix this a bit. So, what is it? Oh my. It's like this part is just gonna come like that. So, I'm just gonna fix it like that. I'm gonna add the eye. It's just gonna come right here. What is it? Okay, so just a bit of an interruption there. I'm gonna try to fix that. No, his eye, he's supposed to look very like surprised or kind of like away. And so I'm gonna have this. Okay, so just like that. Just gonna actually raise that top a bit. So, like that. And there, I'm now right here. I'm gonna add his, like, the actual part. Like his actual, like, brow part's just comes, like, right here. Just go like that. Just erase that right there, so, like that. And so, now this part's just gonna come right here. But first with the HB pencil, I'm just gonna bring these parts right here. It's like, it's quite bumpy. So, like that. Back to the 8B pencil. Like so. I don't want to make this like too far down because like in this and like in this picture, this came off, but it wasn't too bad. So this part's just gonna come like this. Now just gonna come back here. Like he has like a lot of teeth in this picture. So just like that. And so now I'm gonna like have these like the teeth like curve back, like cause like in this picture like they seem to curve back. Like, so the big one is like right here. And then like that goes like right there. So it seems like the Japanese Godzillas don't seem to put gills or like nostrils on them, or ears. Yeah, or not even ears either. But the American ones don't have ears either, but they do have gills and nostrils. But the Japanese seem to not have those. I like Godzilla with ears. Like, Final Wars looked good. He had like big ears. You know, I want to make this Godzilla. He's supposed to be looking very surprised and like, I don't know, he's just supposed to look a bit. Whatever. I'm gonna add some detail right here. And like, it looks like he has like a lot of coral on him. Doesn't it look like that? So just gonna add some like stuff right there. And just this pencil so probably the only reason I did that was for the thumbnail. So just some teeth. Actually, I should make this a bit. Actually, yeah, that should go up a bit more. I might make a video of this full body version. Like, so this chin just like goes off there, but it's okay. So, and then I'm gonna make like a full body. Okay, I was checking if that was 4K, but it wasn't. So I'm gonna make this like a full body version like later into my channel. So like for some reason in this picture, the tongue stands out like so much. Like it stands out like so much. So like that. You can draw it smaller, but I don't. Yeah, but you're gonna have to finish that, like the chin part. So this part's just gonna, his bottom jaw is just gonna come right here. This. I'm gonna like have that right there. So, and then it would be like that until I'll add like this part, like his shoulder, like comes like right here. He has a lot of coral on this part. I don't know why it looks like it on this picture, but he really does. But not really on his face. Like, but his bottom jaw isn't really too detailed. Like, he is really detailed in this picture. And like he has like this part like just goes like that. Like so this has to get K. I mean, I have never gotten a video in K. I really need one though. Sub so I can get 300 subscribers. I actually really get it. I actually really need the 300 subs. Cause like I'm not getting subscribers lately. I showed you a picture in my Godzilla and Shimwa hybrid. How decreased it was. Like how much dropped. Like there, so yeah, that's really all there is to it. I mean, it's not really a like detailed picture. Just like, yeah, that's really all there is to it. Yeah, that's really it for how to draw Godzilla -1 from Godzilla -1. Yeah, I don't really know what else to draw on this. If I'm forgetting something. Well, the last thing I want to do is like, I want to thicken the lines. Yeah, right when I said that reminded me of my Godzilla versus Shimo when I drew big head, tiny body on Godzilla. I'll never do that again. I'm sure I got a lot of unsubscribers from that video. Well, I only have like 50 subscribers then. And I am never not getting subscribers. So yeah, that's really all there is to it for this video on how to draw Godzilla -1, and see you in the next one.